It was a rainy, stormy day. Peppa and her friends were playing inside, while Mummy Pig watched TV, and Daddy Pig was in the washroom.
What?
Oh, no! I have a flaw.
Oh no.
Eek! What happened? Dino scared. Dino, are you alright? Don't scare. I am here.
Maybe the clouds turned off the lights.
It's so dark. Mummy!
It's okay, darlings. Just a power cut.
What perfect timing! That thunder almost flushed me away.
I have an idea. Let's tell a story. A spooky one. Ooh, but not too spooky, right?
Let's do it. Peppa tells the first story.
I'll put this candle right here so you can all see. Now stay cozy and have fun.
Now, listen carefully. One rainy night, there was a teddy. Soft, cuddly, and very cute. But suddenly, he disappeared from the shelf. Where did he go?
Was it a ghost?
No one knows. Not yet. Then, toys started moving by themselves. Is something playing with the toys?
Well, that lightning was super close.
There was light under the bed. Was it a ghost? Or was it Dino? Dinosaur, dinosaur, dinosaur. Boo!
Oh, it's just you.
You scared us to bits. That was fun. Oh. Whoa! My eyes. Dinosaur. Yay! Powers back.
Bye-bye, spooky story.
Well, you little story monsters did just fine in the dark. How about a reward for being brave? Chocolate milk for everyone.
Chocolate milk?
And even on the stormiest nights, the best stories are the ones told together.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next story. Bye-bye.